Florence Nightingale was born on May 12, 1820 in Florence, Italy, to a well-British family. She was named after the city where she was born. Despite her privilege of upbringing, Florence felt a strong calling to serve others, which she considered a division mission. At a young age, she showed compassion and a keen interest in caring for the sick and poor, even though nursing was not considered a respectable profession for women at that time.
In 1851, she trained in nursing at the Institute of Protestant Deaconesses in Kaiserswerth, Germany. This training deepens her medical knowledge and strengthened her commitment to improving healthcare. Her most significant work took place during the Crimean War from 1853 to 1856, where she led a team of nurses to take care of wounded soldiers. Through her efforts in improving sanitation, hygiene, and nutrition, she reduced hospital death rates dramatically from 42% to just 2%.
After the war, Nightingale continued her mission to reform healthcare and nursing education. In 1860, she established the Nightingale Training School for Nurses at St. Thomas Hospital in London, which became a model for modern nursing education worldwide. Florence Nightingale became known as the Lady with the Lamp for her habit of making night rounds to check on her patients. Her dedication, compassion, and emphasis on cleanliness and proper patient care laid the foundation for modern nursing practices. She passed away on August 13, 1910, but her legacy continues to inspire nurses around the world. These are the main concepts of Nightingale's theory. Number 1. Environment. It includes all external factors that affect a patient's life and development, such as fresh air, pure water, light, cleanliness, noise control, and proper drainage. Number 2 is health. She believed that good health can be maintained through proper environmental conditions and healthy living. Number 3, nursing. Nursing is the act of using the environment to assist the patient in recovery. 4. Person or patient. The patient is a person affected by the environment and capable of self-healing when provided with the right conditions. Number 5. Disease. Disease is viewed as a result of an unclean or unbalanced environment. Lastly, nature. Nature has the power to heal.
Do you know what is the theory of Florence Nightingale? Miss Kira, you're late again. What happened this time?
Sorry, Mom. I really need travel.
Anna, dedication is good, but without rest, your body will give up. Remember that.
Sorry, Mom.
So, okay, class dismissed.
Because of her sleepless nights, the mess in her room, and the stress she carried every day, her body finally gave in. Feeling dizzy and exasperated, she suddenly collapsed. The next day, she remembered the lesson of her teacher discussed. It was about Florence Nightingale. Inspired by her story, she decided to clean her room, open the windows, and let the fresh air in. From the first time in a while, she felt calm and refreshed.